and feasts of the holidays. Let us not forget the true meaning of Christmas.
The fulfillment of God's promise to send a Messiah to save the world.
Maligayang Pasko mula sa Pambansang Radyo ng Pilipinas. Bombo Radyo Philippines. Queen Bank, the trusted name for your savings and loans. With fast, personalized service, now accepts payment for MCWD. No need to go through the hassle of falling in long lines. Pay your water bills at Queen Bank.
Welcome to Queen Bank.
Queen Bank, located at Santiago, Corner Leon Quilat Street, Cebu City. Telephones 412-3353 and 253-7475.
Ako ngayon din dito sa kwarto. Ito yung karaniwang ginagawa ko kapag gabi ito. Isip na sila yung matuloy namin. Ito na lang. Palayag na alagaan ko dito. Diba? Ako, diba? Ako, diba? Kita ko sa'yo, niluluto ko ha. Ito niluluto ko. Ito, ayan. Kita mo yan. Ayan. Yung niluluto ko ngayon. Ayot masayahan ka sa ginawa ko ito. I'm sure naman masasayahan ka ito. Hindi lang muna siguro, babe, sa susunod na lang yung mas mataas. Ha? Ha? Okay. Alam mo, matagal mo na rin sinasabi, diba, na gumawa ko ng kapela, diba? Yep, kasi kapag wala kang instrument mas lalo naging sintonado yung boses ko. Diba? I was lying in my bed, thinking of you, remembering the moments that we've been through. And so I notice that you're driving me crazy, 'cause I'm falling in love with you. You're the angel of my life. You're the soldier of my big battle. You're the piece that completes the puzzle of my life. Jejubu. Ba't may kinakata ko minsan? pa rin yung ginujuwit natin dalawa na ba? Lang ha. Diba? Maalala mo yan? There was one day for the moment in time, and it seems everlasting that you would always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly. You should know in my heart, baby, our love will never die. No, oh, you've always been a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby, and you'll linger on. Time can erase the feeling so strong. No, you'll never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Ayos ba? Ayos ba yung ginawa ko? Babes, ito lang muna sa ngayon ha. Susunod na naman yung iba. Sige, ingat ka dyan. I love you. Bye-bye.